Worm composting, a guide to eco-friendly soil enrichment. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing and environmentally friendly topic: worm composting. This process is not only fascinating but also plays a crucial role in soil health and waste reduction. Let's explore how it works and why it's important. Worm composting, also known as vermicomposting, involves the use of certain types of earthworms to convert organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. This compost is excellent for gardens and plants. The process is natural, efficient, and a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps and yard waste. In this section, we'll talk about the star players, the worms. Not all worms are suitable for composting. We'll discuss which species are commonly used, their role in the composting process, and how they turn waste into valuable compost. Here, we'll guide you through setting up your own worm composting system at home. We'll cover the types of bins you can use, the ideal conditions for the worms, and what kind of waste you can and cannot put into the compost bin. Worm composting is not just about waste management. In this section, we'll explore its numerous benefits, including soil enrichment, reduction in landfill waste, and how it can help in creating a more sustainable lifestyle. As with any process, worm composting comes with its own set of challenges. We'll discuss some common issues that you might encounter, such as odors, pests, and maintaining the right moisture levels, along with practical solutions. Thank you for joining me and learning about worm composting. This eco-friendly practice can make a significant difference in our environment and gardens. I hope you feel inspired to start your own composting journey. Happy composting and see you in the next video.